I bought my first action camera and I am very much excited to use it for my video recording. And it is the DJI Osmo Action 6. This is the standard combo. And also I bought DJI Mic Mini. And I will unbox it and connect the Mimo apps to my iPhone. So let's open the Osmo Action 6. All-new 1/1.1-inch square sensor. It has 50 gigabytes built-in storage. That's good enough. Then cold resistance and 4-hour battery life. 240 minutes. There is a variable aperture f2.0 and f4.0. And this Osmo Audio direct microphone connection. Now we'll open the mic. Let's see. And then 20 meters waterproof.
Okay, we have downloaded the DJI Mimo. Let's open it. Terms of use. Review. Inside it is connect. Setting. I turn on the Osmo Action 6, and then it automatically appears on the app after I registered my email. Yes, connecting. Accept. Now, activate Osmo Action 6. So device verification, device repair, firmware update, allow DJI Mimo to access device location to confirm on the camera. DJI cares refresh. I will skip. Activation success. Osmo Action 6.
It's connecting. Join. Now it's connected. You can see it reflects on the cell phone. So I record again. So it works. My camera, Osmo Action 6, and my cell phone are now connected through DJI Mimo app. Thank you for watching.